Hi everybody, I'm in the kitchen with my granddaughter Lucy and we are going to make the best carrot cake you have ever tasted. This carrot cake is in our Griffiths Family Cookbook and it is a recipe that our daughter-in-law Emily shared with us, and that is our son Beau. Let me just show you the ingredients here. So if you want to take a screenshot or quickly write it down, you'll have it. Lucy and I just got through making a pan of potatoes, funeral potatoes, and that will be in another video that's probably already out. I'll link those below. I know people all the time say, oh, this is the best recipe, this is the best recipe. Seriously, serious. This carrot cake is the best carrot cake I have ever had, and well, it has to have the frosting with it too, and I'm going to make both with you today. The recipe calls for a cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own by adding a cup of milk and a teaspoon of vinegar. And it doesn't matter what kind of vinegar it is. White vinegar, apple cider vinegar, doesn't matter. In fact, if you want, you can just use a lemon. Recipe calls for 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, and 3/4 cup of oil, just vegetable oil. A 1.5 cups of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. For the dry ingredients, I've got 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm just going to add this to my wet ingredients and mix it up. Come here. Good syrup there.
I use a spoon.
You want me to use a spoon? Do you want to help me with the rest of this?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put that in here?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. That was about 2.5 cups of shredded carrots. You want to put the raisins in?
Yeah.
Okay, we need a cup of raisins. Okay, put the raisins in here. I need a cup of raisins. Okay. Okay, we'll do it this way. Okay, put the raisins in for me. Oh, that's gonna be good. You want some to eat? You want some? Okay, you can eat those, okay? We need a cup of chopped walnuts, and that's about 1/2 cup. Let's see, yep, these are both 1/2 cups. You want to put those in for me too? Okay, no, you can put them right in here if you want to. Oh, thank you so much. Did you eat your raisins? And then it takes a cup of sweetened shredded coconut. I need a bigger bowl. I started using this bowl because it was clear and I thought you could see it better, but I need a bigger one. We're gonna run out of bowl. Okay, let's put a cup of this in it, okay? You know what this is? What's this? Is it coconut?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it up, hold it still. Oh, wow, that's gonna be so good. Okay, you put that in there for me. Yum.
Let's make that noise.
And then the recipe calls for 10 ounces of crushed pineapple. This is a 20-ounce can, and I'm going to use half of it and save the other half for our salad. And you put the juice in it too. So I'm just going to be scooping about half of this can out, including the juice. Now the trick is going to be mixing it up. It's a pretty big bowl, isn't it? You think we'll get it mixed? We're really careful.
You have to mix it up.
I have to what?
Okay.
I have to mix it up? I know, and it's a kind of a mess. Grandma should have used a bigger bowl, huh? We'll get it. We'll make it work.
You have to get the nose.
That worked pretty good, didn't it? This is a 9 by 13 pan, and I'm just going to grease it.
Make that sound.
Do you love that sound? I do too. Let me hear it. Oh, I love it. I love it.
I like this one too.
Look at all that goodness.
That's what no means. That's yeah.
We're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. See, our cake is done. The cream cheese frosting for this cake is super easy, and it is in the book also. That is our daughter Ellie. It calls for an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and a half a cup of butter, which in the United States, that is a cube of butter, half a cup. A teaspoon of pure vanilla, and 2 cups of powdered sugar.
want mice. So sticky.
There's a fly.
Yeah, I see inside.
Oh my goodness.
Huh. I don't want mice.
I don't like them either.
Yeah. Me. Steve. I do my honey.
You do?
Yeah. I don't know.
You tell that fly to leave you alone.
Oh no, and always please. Ow! It's in my nose. No?
Okay, Grandpa, you know you got a job to do here.
I know, and it's a tough job,
But somebody has to do it, huh?
And I'm more than willing to accommodate. I love carrot cake, I love cheesecake, and I believe this is a combination of both. This is carrot cake
With
icing.
cheesecake frosting.
That's what I had,
Yeah.
cheesecake.
Cheesecake frosting.
Cheesecake frosting with the carrot cake. And this is from our cookbook.
Yes.
Is that right?
What would I do without you?
Oh,
It's good, isn't it?
nobody would believe that you were such a good cook without me.
Yeah, it really is. It really is. This carrot cake is,
Yeah.
I guess I'll let you tell it, but
Yeah.
I think it's just really moist
Well-
and there's something to it.
Yeah, I like the frosting and I like the cake. There's nuts in it, and I don't particularly like nuts, but with this here, it really is.
Yeah, and you can
Really
leave the
good.
nuts out.
Yeah, and the carrots, I like that because it's really healthy for you, right?
Right.
But it tastes really good.
Well, there you have it.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.